Hi everyone, welcome to Playwright tutorial. Today in this tutorial, we are going to talk about one of the newest and smartest features in Playwright agents. These AI-powered agents automate intelligence into your test creations process, helping you generate, fix, and plan test faster than ever. So let's begin. Open Chrome browser. First, I will show you how you can install Playwright. Open this URL, installing Playwright. Start it by installing Playwright using one of the following methods. Just copy this command and install Playwright and open VS Code. Open folder. I have created one folder, so I will open folder. Click on open folder and then select this folder. Click on select folder. After selecting this folder, we need to click on view. Click on view and then click on terminal for installing Playwright. Enter. Here is command for installing Playwright. First, I will show you how you can install Playwright and then we will see about agents in detail. Installing agent started, and here do you want to use TypeScript or JavaScript? Just click on enter, and then enter. Installing Playwright test. After installing, you can view packages here. Here multiple folders will be displayed after installing. This is the command for installing Playwright test. Npm install -dash save -dev. This is the command for installing Playwright test. After installing this Playwright test, it will install browsers, and here you can view installing, downloading browsers, npx Playwright. This is the command for installing. Now, Playwright has been installed successfully. Now, we will say about agent. Opening home browser, agents, Playwright test agents. Playwright comes with 3 Playwright test agents out of the box. There are 3 agents. One is planner, second generator, and third is healer. So these agents can be used independently, sequentially, or as chain calls. Planners explore the app and produce a markdown test plan. Planner is used for creating a test plan, and generator is used for generate the script. It will create a script, and healer is used for repairs flying test. If any change is made in UI, so healer will fix your script, and generator is used for generating the script, while planner will explore your app and create a test plan. By using planner, generator create a script. Now I will explain in a detail step by step how you can install agents. Scroll down, and here this is the command for installing agents. Make sure you have VS Code v1.105 currently on the VS Code insiders. So you need to install VS Code, and this is the version which you need to install. Copy this command, open VS Code insiders, and enter command here. Click on enter for installing. Now 3 generator, healer, and planner. Inside this folder structure, you can view chat modes. These folders are automatically created. These are the agents. Now, first understand about these agents. Planner agent is responsible for understanding your application. It analyzes user flows, breaks complex tasks into smaller steps, and create a automated test plan. Planner is used for create a test plan, and second is generator. Generator agent then makes the plan and converts into fully working Playwright test scripts. It writes the actual test code for your selector steps and logic. Healer agents keep your test stable. If a selector breaks or UI changes, it automatically updates and fixes the test cases. Open this one, and here you can view 3 options. One is planner, second generator, and healer. Click on planner. By using this agent, you can create a test plan. Suppose we want to create a test plan for login page. So here we will enter some command. Make sure your GitHub account is login and verifications. So you can view these options. So these agents. Now, right here, write test plan, and the URL is open browser. Copy this one, open VS Code Insiders, and enter this URL. Just click on enter. Here you can view working, starting MCP, optimizing tool selection. It will create a detailed test plan for you. Let's click on this planner. These are the tools inside generator. You can view tools and generator write test. Now I set up the planner page, and here you can view one file created successfully. It's open a URL. Now open this one, and here inside this folder you can view seeds file. It's automatically created when we enter. For create a test plan, just click on allow, run setup planner page, and here inside you can view a blank page, allow and review. It will explore the app. As you can view here, running navigate to a URL, it will explore. Now click on allow. After exploring all the app, it will create a test plan. Just click on allow. After creating this plan, I will show you how you can generate a test. Creating a test plan, I write the complete markdown. By using this markdown test plan, we can create a test. As you can view here, test, and this is the file name. So demo test plan.md. It will create a new file. It's working still, and after completing this, we can view a complete test plan. By using a planner, you can simply create a detailed test plan. You do not need to write a test plan manually. It will write multiple scenarios for you. By using this seed file, creating the markdown test plan file now at the absolute path in your workspace. Inside this test folder, it will create a new test plan file. Preparing test scenarios and content. As you can view here, this login page automatically open because here in a planner agent we write create a test plan for this login page. Just we need to click on keep or undo. As you can view here, one file successfully created, source demo test plan.mb. Just click on keep. After clicking on keep, open this file. In this file, we can view test artifact. Scroll down. This is the URL: browser Chrome, Firefox, Edge, latest stable, and this all the credentials. Open this one, and here you can view multiple credentials are available: standard users, logout user, program user, and secret underscore source. This is the password. Scroll down, and here login plus username. This error message should be displayed, and this all the steps. First, open URL, enter username, enter password, click on login, and expected result is user is navigated to the inventory page. After successful login, this inventory page should be displayed. And second case, you can view login with invalid credentials. If user login with invalid credentials, the page displays a clear error message indicating invalid credentials. Here, multiple scenarios you can view: login with logout user, expected result; login with performance glitch user, and here test case for add item to cart. Multiple test plan you can view here in this file multiple scenarios. Now I will show you how you can generate a script. Click on generator, enter here, write test script for, enter this username which is a standard user. Copy this one and enter here standard user. Click on send, working, optimizing tool selection, and it will create a script for you. Because we select here generator agent responsible for creating a script. In this file we can make some changes for generating a script, but it is a detailed test plan, and here multiple scenarios and expected results you can view, sort price name filters, expected results, and this is the success criteria and failure conditions. Running setup generator page playwright test MCP server. As you can view, open this page and it will ask for you allow. We need to click on allow, and then it will write the scripts. After this allow, we need to click on allow and review. Navigate to this URL. As you can view, open this URL, click on allow. First it will enter username, password, and then click on login button. Run, navigate, function, click on allow, and then click on allow. Run, evaluate JavaScript, click on allow and review, allow. This generator create a script by using this source demo test plan.md. Click on allow, navigate to this URL, enter username, password, and then click on login button. Running, wait for playwright test MCP server, and then click on allow. As you can view here, username is required. Allow. This is element username input. We need to allow and review. On this one, enter here a standard underscore user, and then click on allow. It will enter the password. After enters the password, it will click on login button. As you can view, element is equal to password input. Allow and review, and then click on allow and login. It should be login. After click on login button, element login button, click on allow, navigate to this URL and open inventory page. Page title, open inventory page. Now just click on skip and it will create a new test file. Click on allow. When setup generator playwright test MCP server and working, it navigate to this URL. We just click on skip and it should create a new test file so we can run the test. Planner is used for creating a test plan, and by using a generator we can create a test script, and healer is used for fixing the issues if some changes made in the UI. So healer is responsible for fixing. Now one file created successfully, login dash happy dash path dot spec dot ts, and here you can view test return to test. Click on allow on this file, and here test file created successfully. Inside this file we can view login happy path. And here it show this is the command for running the test. Now I will show you how we can use a healer. Suppose we made some changes here, we enter invalid here data, and here we enter some invalid brackets. Now here you can view multiple errors in this script. We select here a healer, and here we just need to enter fix code and then click on send. Now it will interact with this script and it will fix these issues. By using healer, we can fix the issues. You can view here updating these files, and it will check the error in this file. I fixed the syntax error and incorrect selectors because we enter here invalid selectors. It's working. After this we need to allow, and it will fix all the issues in the test file. It also track, you can view here, we enter some data in this line, here we enter, and you can view here it shows one file changed. Would you like me to run the test now and report the results? If you click on keep, you can view here it's enter valid selectors here and fix the code issues. Now we can run the test. Just enter here, first check this script, login, and here you can view, click checkout, enter username, password, and this verify order completion message is shown after finish. Let me just create a script for open cart and verify 2 items. Click on checkout and enter these details. This is first name, last name, and postal code. Now run the test. For running the test, we need to enter here npx playwright test, enter this file name, and this file name is, we need to enter here. We can also make changes in this file. If you want to customize this test, you can also customize this test. Enter here login dash happy dash paths. If you want to change this file name, you can also change this file name. Here option available, rename, and here we write login.spec.ts. So you will enter simply here login.spec.ts. Here enter headed project Chromium. This command is for running the test in GUI mode Chromium. Now just click on enter. Running one test using one worker. Open this URL, navigate, enter username, password, and here you can view checkout process completed successfully. So that's how Playwright agents, planner, generator, and healer work together to give you smarter, faster, and more reliable automation. If you want AI assisted testing, this reduce effort and improve stability, Playwright agents are definitely worth exploring. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.